Some people say luck.
There you go. Dude. You know, why don't you go ahead and wrap your lips on that?
Look, you want me to help you, you gotta put that thing away.
Okay. Take your clothes off.
I'm coming, baby.
Whoa! Championship Wild Luger suits and the mighty cake. Oh, fine.
All right, baby. It's all right. Here, just sit down right here. Oh, yeah. It's okay. We'll take this off just for a minute.
I want to be Spider-Man.
So it worked out.
Babe, when you're right, you're right. Ooh.